Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to create a Snapchat group with your friends, parents, family or whoever you want. Alright, first of all, if you go to chat, you will see this. And now if you tap here on the blue button right in the bottom, you will see this. And now if you tap on new group, we can add people that I prefer for the group. So if I tap on Tommy H, Tommy Flexo, I just want those two in my group, then I can do chat with group now. But if you can see, you can't create a group with people who aren't your friend. So it's important to first add them and then after that you can create the group with friends you want. Alright, this is how easy it is, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please smash a like. Hopefully I will see you in more tutorial videos and have a wonderful day. Ciao!